Imagine running your clothing line for 5 years steadily, building your brand, and then all of a sudden, in just 7 days, you bring in over $200,000. Sounds like a dream come true, right? In this video, I'm gonna break down the full strategy that made this happen so you can replicate it for your brand, and the tools and the offer we used, and one thing we've been doing for literally years that has increased every brand we've ever worked with by 30%. I'm gonna share everything with you guys. And yes, you can do this without any other real prior experience at all. So strategy may be the single most important thing outside of content that is needed to make sure that your brand can do hundreds of thousands of dollars per week or per month or in a year. It doesn't matter. I also want to point out that I'm sharing this and how everything works because this is, for a lot of people, this could be life-changing money. And for some of y'all, a lot of y'all, it could be life-changing money. So I wanna make sure we go through everything in detail. So make sure you're grabbing some notes. Let's get into it. So number one here is our Ecom Accelerator process. This is something that we've been teaching for years. It is the foundation that we have created that is based off of principles within the clothing niche that are built off of real business principles to help you grow and scale online. So number one, most important piece here, as you can probably imagine, is the website conversion. Really, it's website conversion rate. If we don't have a good website conversion, which I'll pull up the store here, let me do this. So website conversion during this time period, 3.8%, meaning every 100 people who came to the site, we basically had 3, almost 4 people to the actual site. So website conversion, number one, if you don't have a good website conversion rate, the next thing's not gonna matter. Number two is traffic. Good brands do really well if they do one of these correct, right? So just, you can do organic, but great brands, as you are gonna do well with organic and paid. So many people that I talk to, whether they are on strategy calls, whether they're our program members, they think that they can get by not doing number two. It's like, my number one problem is traffic, but I won't do organic or I won't do paid. Doing both of them seems difficult or it seems hard. And then it's like, well, yes, business is not necessarily easy. Otherwise, everybody would just make millions of dollars. That's not the case. You gotta be able to do both. Great brands do both. Number three, all right, is profit. Without profit, I promise you, it is very difficult for you to grow. It is very difficult to scale. When Meta was so amazing that it did a better job at its job than what we did, finding the right customer and before the iOS update, probably could make that work. Now, not so much. 30% of your revenue is gonna come from email and SMS. The crazy thing about this is, so email adds the profit, SMS adds the revenue or the top line number. Okay, so it's more affordable to do email, but you're gonna make a little bit more money off of SMS depending if it's on the list size. But this is gonna be, like I said, 30%. 30% of your profit is gonna come from, or your revenue rather, is gonna come from email and SMS. It's way less expensive to send out an email than it is to try to use ads. Probably not as targeted or as effective as just organic. So it's extremely important that you knock that piece out. This fourth area is customer experience. This is your shipping. This is also your packaging and customer service. Without great customer experience, customer service, you're not gonna get this returning customer rate. So in this period of time, we had most of the people were actually returning customers, 50%, and then you had about 48% that were actually new customers. Now we'll talk about either one of those, but that's a lot of traffic in one day, 51,000 people, or not one day, 51,000 people over 7 days. If you do not take care of your customers, have a great customer experience, everything from the way that you talk to them, through the customer service, your shipping and packaging, the surprise and delight, that piece, if you miss it, it's gonna be very difficult for somebody to come back, and it's very difficult to increase. The number one thing that this thing does is LTV, lifetime value, so how much a customer is actually worth to you. If this number is smaller than what you acquire the customer with, it's very difficult to grow a business. The larger this number is, the more you can grow your brand. So lifetime value is done through customer experience. Number 5, this is your branding and messaging. Okay, so branding is about association. So for example, I was talking to a brand earlier, shout out to this guy. Basically, he sells gis and he sells a lot of stuff to UFC now actually because of Dana White. So Dana, if you're familiar with the UFC world, just kind of the guy who runs UFC, if this guy's brand was connected, so this guy's brand was connected with UFC, he would raise his brand status because of association. Because he's got the UFC endorsement, he would sell more things because of the branding. The messaging is to the right audience, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. I already did draw this line. So this line, I'll talk a little bit more about the messaging piece that needs to be done here so that you talk to the actual right audience here in a second. If you want to grow your brand, these are the 5 principles of growing a clothing brand online. It's based off of real business principles, and it's specifically designed for clothing brands. If you do these things, you will grow your brand. Simple as that. So in 2015, we found AppSumo, and it changed the game for us. Basically, it's Groupon for geeks. Like, they have a ton of lifetime deals for the new software to save a ton of time and money. And what they'll do is they'll go out and actually find companies that are early startup that want to get some influx of cash. AppSumo has the email list and the marketing, and they'll get the software for free, and then I'll go in, people like me, and they will get lifetime access to this software. I still have plenty of them right now. Now, that software has allowed us to grow and scale in our company, and I've seen the same thing happen to brands when they are able to leverage software to scale their brands. I'm going to share with you our full software tool stack that we use right now. But first, I want to say a quick hey, howdy, and hello. So I'm one of the co-founders here at Bit Branding, and alongside my business partner, Christian, we both specialize in helping clothing brands grow online. Christian focuses on the Shopify side of things, websites, themes, and I focus on the marketing, messaging, advertising. In the last 12 months alone, we've helped over 250 clothing brands scale online. If you're one of those people, I'd appreciate a nice little like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our latest content. We drop new content for you every single week. And if you do this in the next 3 seconds, I'll share with you the best movie from the 1990s. Okay, so let's talk through tech stack real quickly. Number 1 is it's called Video, so VIDEEO, or roughly CommentSold. So if you're not familiar with CommentSold, it's like live selling. Think of QVC meets social media. So I have something I'm selling, maybe I'm selling this marker, and you're commenting on this, and you say sold, and it will automatically charge your card, and then we can start the shipping process. It's connected directly to Shopify. It is an app now, not just the CommentSold app. This made them, during that time period, about $20,000 that this has made them. I will tell you, in the last 15 to 16 months alone, this has made them over $600,000. 100% jump on Video if you are somebody who is absolutely okay with talking to your customer, or you just want to make some money. We can't really fault you if you want to make some actual money. Number 2, no brainer, right? So we're using Klaviyo. We are also using Attentive. If we go over to Triple Whale, I'll actually show you guys. All right, so Triple Whale, as you can see here, inside of Klaviyo, we made about $18,000 off of campaigns. We also made another $8,000 off of flows. Attentive, we made $11,000. So Klaviyo plus Attentive, we made a whopping, we'll just do rough math here, we made, let's just say about $38,000. You gotta have email and SMS. It goes back to this point over here, right? So profit, email, SMS, that's $38,000 we wouldn't have had if we were not sending email and SMS. Okay, highly suggest that. The other one is called Joofy. So Joofy, let me pull this up on the screen too. Also, just as a FYI, if you want to check out Video, that is in the link in the description down below. Klaviyo, we don't partner necessarily with them, but just shout out to them. We are technically partners. I don't have a link or a discount or anything like that. Otherwise, I would give that to you guys. But Joofy, just partner with them. I've been looking for something like this. They have the actual statistical data now to say that it increases sales by up to 10% or 10x, not 10%, 10x. Before it was 5x. Think concierge, like if you walk into a Neiman Marcus or you walk into any type of store, Hollister, Hot Topic, whatever it may be, people are talking to you. They're usually asking if you need some help. And most of the time, we push them away. But sometimes I'm like, hey, I need some help with this running shoe. And this is the solution for that. So it's like, okay, I'm new to running. I need some shoes. Please guide me. And it will actually answer questions. For example, right now it's kind of going through something on screen. It's talking through, okay, I'm looking for something that's waterproof. I'm a size large normally. Should I size up? Should I size down? And it has a real interactive conversation. The other cool thing is it's on Instagram DMs. If a lot of you guys, and I know a lot of the clothing brand owners do this, right? They try to get customer service questions answered on Instagram DMs, and it's very annoying. But now you can literally put it all inside of one spot. You can program the AI. It's built off of ChatGPT, and you can program it to do the actual responses that you want. the coolest part and my favorite part, so cart abandonment, but it also does, which is cool, helps people who are like buying something online and you're like, oh, this is the right fit, cool, checks the box, it can actually make this happen. But the coolest part is you have an upsell and a downsell and a cross sell, you have a post sell, like all of this, they can add all the things to the cart. It's literally like somebody is following them around as they're shopping. Sounds creepy, but like they're doing it in a nice way. They're just being in a helpful way. And if you tell them to be quiet, they'll actually step away. Unlike that Hollister guy that just keeps following me around all the time. 100% check out Joofy. Can't disclose the actual dollar amounts within this, but don't worry, I'm working on some stuff where we actually can very shortly. But what I can tell you is it has made a lot of revenue. Also, just kind of a different train of thought. If you are under a certain amount of visitors per month, you can actually get it for free because we do partner with them. Like I said, check out the link in the description. I believe the offer is like 40% off for the whole year. So that's also pretty cool. But anyway, check out Joofy. All right, so hold up just 1 second. I wanted to say that if you are a clothing brand owner, I hope that you are, I want to jump into the specifics of your brand or boutique and how to grow it profitably online. You can schedule a free 45-minute strategy session with us, and there are limited spots, so go find a time, right? Go find a time that works best for you. You can check out the link in the description down below before they fill up. Okay, so let's go over to the breakdown of the numbers. I think we should jump into the actual numbers here because it's important to understand how is this broken down, because it all comes back down to here, and I'll tell you right now, most of the videos I do, right, they are more popular if I give you the answers on Facebook and Instagram and stuff, which I'll talk about how you can do that here in a second. But really, if you want to grow a business, it comes to this foundation, it comes to some software tools, and then it comes down to like, where does this actually make money? So as you can see here, organic and social, we built that out, $38,000 from organic and social. Direct, meaning they've known about the brand, they had to come through marketing. It's not really attributed, but Triple Whale, go check them out. They're in the description as well. I've been doing a lot of descriptions down below, but anyway, like Triple Whale, it's an attribution software. There's even a free version of it as well, but it doesn't attribute everything. It's pretty dang close, but not everything. Facebook had 424 purchases, $37,000. Cost per acquisition was 52. New customer purchase was 52, sorry. Cost per purchase or acquisition based off of Triple Whale, 31. We basically made almost 3 times our money. Facebook thought it was 11 times. Google thought we were 24 times. We were really at an 8. New customer acquisition there was 26. We had TikTok, which was going for something completely different, so it wasn't really for this campaign. So that's why it's saying it cost $1,000. But TikTok's a little bit better. Please don't shy away from TikTok. It actually does do decent. Total return was 13. So for every dollar we spent, we made 13. We made $203,711.43. Our new customer acquisition was $17. We spent $15,000 to make that 203. Obviously, we have cost of goods. Obviously, the company paid us. Obviously, which we don't take a percentage, we're flat rate. I don't like percentages. I don't like that we're the partners of these people. It's like, look, we're coming in, we're gonna do work. If not, you let us go. Like, that's plain and simple. So I don't like a percentage deal. I do like skin in the game for sure, but honestly, you should keep your profit. And so they just had a flat rate. Whatever they made us in this week is the same, or this month is the same that they paid us in the previous month. And so as they grow and scale, doesn't affect us. So they only had to pay for marketing, cost of goods, their ad spend, and then some of these apps, which very minimal, right? So like combined, they are more than profitable here. We're also working off extremely good margins. You're also probably wondering, okay, what the heck was the actual offer? This is a big piece, and that's why I'm gonna choose a different color, because you know, if you use a different color, it's a bigger piece here, okay? That's why you know. So the offer was up to 80% off. The up to part is extremely important. This was the end of season sale. It was also for a specific reason. I don't like to discount just to discount. You're like, oh, I'm not a discount brand. I'm a high-end brand. Whatever, that's fine. If you're making a bunch of money, great, cool for you. This brand is high-end as well, or I wouldn't say luxury, but like a mid-tier. But the up to part is important. Most of the products were actually closer to that 20 to 30% off, maybe some 50. The 80% off was very small, but because of that, we were not false advertising or anything. So we said up to 80% off. We had an audience who knew about us. We built that audience because we created traffic, did really good stuff organically. We actually did stories on Instagram stories, really. Facebook stories as well, kind of produced there. We created reels. We sent out emails and SMS, and we've been building this for a long period of time. Is it gonna take you 5 years for you to get to $200,000 in 7 days? Probably not. We started working with this brand 2 years ago. Before that, they were not doing that. And so in 2 years, is this possible? Sure. Is it faster now because you have the answers? Definitely. But I think a lot of people don't realize that without a good offer, none of this works. Without these other systems in place, or without this system in place, and without these apps, none of the other stuff will be in place. And of course, we had good creative. But honestly, if you have okay creative with a really dumb offer, but you have amazing customer loyalty and you know how to take care of them, which means you probably had good content before that, you're gonna be able to make some money. And the question you're probably asking is like, how the heck do I get more traffic? Because I see you made some money off of ads and that kind of trickled down to everything else. Don't worry. If you got value out of this video and you wanna grow and scale online, you gotta watch this video next on how to use Instagram ads to grow your clothing brand online right here. All right, y'all, have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.